What's up, YouTube people? So, the buggy runs. It shifts, it doesn't grind, it's not binding. The more I shift, the looser the engagement gets. I guess new housing, since it has brand new bushings and they're not like God knows how old, just need to be worn in a little. So third, fourth shifting really smooth. First and second, still a little snug, but it's loosening up. Up here, the speed limit's 55, so I was getting on it. So wasn't really putting around between first and second. Definitely second and third, but not so much for second. Finished up the wiring under the seat. I relocated my MAF Delete HKS variable vane pressure gizmo to the glove box, because originally the RX-7 motor's up front, of course you know, and the cabling was only long enough to go from the engine bay to, say, your glove box or center console, not to the front of a Bug, you know, or the trunk of an RX-7. So I was extending those cables and moving that forward and mounting that in the glove box. What else? Wiring's done. I'll deal with mounting the relays later. It's hot. So let me cut to a scene of that, and kind of how I did the seat here, the brackets. So got all the wiring cleaned up. So this is my piggyback for my MAF Delete. Maybe a couple zip ties takes care of that. Here's my little fuse block. Fuses. I think it'll light up if I pull it. Or not. No, the key's not on. But yeah. Radiator, main, fuel, oil, yada yada. So, still gotta make a bracket for the relays, I guess, or just let them dangle. And relocated this little guy here, my vane pressure converter. It allows me to get rid of my MAF. There's my eBay tack. I ordered Fahrenheit, they sent me Celsius, but then they gave me my money back, so 12 bucks for shipping ain't bad. And one of these days I'll get a wide van. Here's my homemade pedal for the big wheel. I was routing the wires. Then came up pretty good, because this all closes. There we go. What is it hitting? I think the glove box moved while I was pulling wires. So, oh, and on a side note, if you want to put Honda seats or anything else in your Bug, what I did here was take the factory rails, cut them. Of course, I welded in a brace first before I cut the legs completely free. I just welded it on. Could have been maybe an inch higher, but it retains the factory Volkswagen rail, and then it has the Honda rail as well. So it actually slides a lot smoother. There's no bolts involved, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I also picked up a power cone. Now it looks like a butt plug, I guess. Polish up the rims pretty good. Well, you can see these things. Now these are the MP all aluminum ones, not the chrome ones. The chrome ones were like 7 pounds heavier each, so I didn't want to deal with that weight. So it was Mother's mag and loom polish, that ball, and some micro cloths, and yeah, it went pretty fucking quick. Maybe 20 minutes a wheel. They were pretty jacked up. I haven't cleaned them in like 4 years. So yeah, polished wheels, relocated the MAF delete gizmo, cleaned up the harness, drove the car. Would I do it again? Learning curve. All the hassles and whatnot of figuring out what's what, and if I didn't have a spare case, and you know, that was cut up where I could use it as a jig, then yeah, may take it to shop, may pay the stupid money. But then again, what they want for a Weddle, you know, first through fourth gear setup, and like a Rhino case and shit like that. Yeah, you already got IRS. I'd go Subaru. I'm still swing axle. You know, I dumped stupid money into, you know, sway bars, chromoly axles, shocks, blah blah blah. It's whatever. I'm gonna rock it until it blows up, or you know, I get a bonus or something, or YouTube starts paying. I am nowhere near to getting paid by YouTube. But long story short, hey, I did it. It works. Let's see how long it works. I am going to go to Fontana on the 3rd for oh, what the hell's that Mazda show called 7 Stock. Since it is a rotary, they'll let me in there, so that should be interesting. So once again, you know, don't be too scared to try stuff. I mean, if it's broke and you know it's not too much in parts, to give it a try, or you got some friends that help you out, or you know, hopefully YouTube videos like this, you know, might help guide you and whatnot. Oh, that's the POS Honda that they stole. So you know, the kids are out. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Appreciate the comments and you know, all the love you guys give me. So till next time.